Namaste. Today I am sharing one breakfast recipe, moong dal paratha. So in this paratha I have used green moong dal. So for making this paratha I have used this green moong dal. You can also use the yellow moong dal. So first we have to wash this dal and soak it for 6-7 hours like that, or you can soak it overnight also. So now let's do the next step. So now I'm making the dough first. I'm using 2 cups of wheat flour. First I'll put little salt here. Then oil. This is 1 spoon oil we can use. So first mix it nicely. So like this we have to make one soft dough. So now that this dough is ready, just apply little oil. So I'll cover and keep this dough for 10 minutes till the time I'll prepare the fillings for the paratha. For making the filling for paratha, I'm using this whole green moong dal. If you don't have this dal, you can even use the yellow color moong dal. I'm also using little ginger here and 2 chilies. So first we have to coarsely grind all this. So like this we have to coarsely grind this green moong dal. So now next step is, so once the oil is heated, put little cumin seeds, then fennel seeds, little asafoetida, then onions, one onion, small size onion I am using. I am adding half teaspoon turmeric powder, salt as per taste, coriander powder more than half teaspoon. So mix everything nicely and saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add 1 big spoon gram flour powder besan. Now mix them nicely. Saute for 2 minutes again. Half teaspoon chili powder. So after 2 minutes, now I'm adding this moong dal paste. If you see it is very dry, that time add little oil. So now you can see this paratha mixture is ready. This mixture you can use for making kachori also. So now we make the paratha. So like this we have to do. and just you have to close it like this. We have to roll this softly. We should not press it more. So like this we have to make the paratha. Like this. Apply some oil. So this paratha is cooked now. It is done. So friends, you can see my moong dal paratha is ready. You can see how soft it is looking, and you can see here, and it tastes really delicious. So I hope you will like this recipe. You can serve this moong dal paratha with chutney, with pickles, with curd. So it is a very easy recipe only. I hope you will like this video. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you friends.